So today you're going to work in Canva, and so you always want to choose the first one. There's two in here, but the first one is the one that we use. And when you get in here today, you're going to go on the home screen. You're going to go to video. Now, later on, you're going to have an option to go to work on logos as well, so you can make a logo about camp. But this is going to be a video about camp, so you're going to work on videos. When you get in there, you can start a blank project, or you can. There's some video templates in there. There's really one of these first two is what you would use. Probably the first one is the best. Okay. You can look at different designs like education designs and so forth and make some choices inside of there. Mine that I started is in project. So that's where it's going to rest afterward. And so you can see right here, it's camp. So I'm going to open that up and just kind of go over some of the basics of it. So you can choose from designs here. You can choose from different elements. And like I looked up a title right here. So in elements, I just searched for title. Do that again. And you'll get some different title options that you can use to put in there. Or you can just put text over pictures, creating text box and headings. And uploads is a big one. This is where you're going to upload. Your stuff should be in your downloads folder. So you got to navigate to that downloads folder. And the one with the arrow on it, and then you'd find your pictures, the three lines right there. You're going to be able to change that to large icons where you can see what's inside of there. Okay, so and then you load those in for the project. You need at least 10 things inside of here. All right, and it will automatically save because you're logged in with Clever. Now inside Teams, I have a link to go back to 6th grade camp for photos. If you didn't go to camp, then you're just doing a different topic, looking up different photos. But remember that you want to choose on those three lines. If it's in a list, you want to choose tiles. And the key thing here is if you've got folders that you downloaded, like you tried to grab a bunch of photos at one time, it's not going to work very well. Those photos have to be opened up and decompressed. So really what you want to do is go through here, if you didn't get this done last time, and choose a photo and make it big. Choose download, and you'll see that one photo download. Close it with the X in the corner, and then simply go back and do the next thing again. Again, you're going to need at least 10 photos. A lot of you should have already done this before, but you might want to go through and choose more photos. And if it came in a folder that looks like this, you got to do them one by one to get the pictures you need. All right. When you're done with that, you can, in Canva, go back to your home page, and you can look up logos and make a logo about Calvin Crest. If you would like to do that, that's going to be on the main page. And then the rest of what we're doing is in Teams.